our 3-tap tower for our beer Kegerator dispensers. First off, the overall dimensions. The overall length for the neck, we have at least 13.25 inches. From the highest point of the handle towards the bottom of the base, we have a length of 16.75 inches. Radius for the bottom base, we have 4.5 inches. Included beneath the tower will be 3 lines to hook up your Kegerators beneath the cabinet. Also included are additional accessories such as rubber caps, cable clamps for the hoses, along with scrubs for cleaning. As said, on top are 3 different taps, and the bottom lines will hook up the Kegerators underneath the beer Kegerator cabinets. These towers can be purchased separately through our company website and will work with all the Kegerators that we sell through Cooler Depot. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.